Everybody and welcome back to another video, and it is officially the next day from the video that I did, the fluffy cornstarch, and it is 9:30 again. I've done a video at 9:30, and today I'll be making Jiggly Slime by the title, and it's going to be 2 slimes. So I've got tubs for extras. And this one, sorry about the glitter at the bottom of this. So whatever slime goes in there will be a bit glittery. And my borax is running out and I've only got about half of this left. And Jiggly Slime's hard to activate. So, and this has got nothing in it. I don't know why I brought it down. And I've got my pen for my mixing tool. And 3 paints. So the things you'll need for Jiggly Slime is PVA glue. This is optional. You could add any colour, but I'll be adding these in the end. And I've got sap green, which is actually yellow. Then sap green, which is actually green. And then Vimbalin, which is orange. So yellow, green and orange. And I chose them with my eyes closed. And then, because I don't like them colours, except from the green. And yeah, yellow. And then cornflower over it. And then I've got some water for the jiggleness. And this is optional, but I've got some glitter, some silver and red glitter. And then this is not optional, you'll need activator to activate it. And I'll be using borax, and you could use Tide, Stay Flow, bicarbonate of soda and contact lens solution together. And you will need also a mixing tool or spoon and something to mix in, as in a bowl, but this is a tub that I don't use. And you'll need some containers. So let's get on with the video. So the first thing you'll need is glue. That is the main ingredient, and I'm sorry about the lighting. From yesterday, it went from really horrible to now really sunny. Can you see in the background? Like, it's blinding. That reflection is from my mum's silver car. This is hard to open. It's got a lid on. I don't know why I put it back on. Maybe because that's got a gap in and it dries up. So I'm going to add about... So this is going to be halved into 2. And I don't know why I brought 3 paints down. So that will do for now. And that will do for now. And if I have to, I could always add more glue at the end if I end up over-activating it or something. And weirdly, all my slimes that I make are always really tough. And the next thing I will be adding is some glitter. They're going to have the same. Actually, I'm going to add the paint and the glitter in after, because I'm making the jiggliness first. And you'll probably want to add 2 times the actual slime of water. So this is going to... So I think that will do. Whoa! You should try that. It looks really cool. All I did was add water to it. Plus this B&M glue is super thick, so I think I'll need extra. So, comment down below if you've ever made Jiggly Slime. And if you have, tell me what colour it was. Because I love Jiggly Slime. But I've never made, I have made it, but I've done it off camera to test it. Because they've always gone really sticky and they always might get little bits on my hands, and it's like so annoying. So, I've added it in and it should be really big now. Like really big. And then I'm going to add my activator, which is I'm using borax. Like I said, you can use lots of different activators. But I will be testing a couple of activators one time. Don't judge, I always put mine in the corner. So, should be coming together. And I know it sounds weird, but like, I think white glue is like way easier to activate than clear glue when you're adding water in. I added a bit more water because it just felt like it wasn't enough. I'm scared in case I spill it out. My mum shouted at me for getting cornstarch all over the place. And I mean, it's drying out everywhere. The slime is working. I'm sorry, my videos are cringy, but like, I can't edit. I don't know how to edit. It's peeling off the side. That gives me heebie-jeebies. So once I've activated it, I will show you. So see you in a second for you. This round had failed. I added a bit too much water, so I am going to start again. But in one of my videos, this is going to be fixed. So I'm going to have to put this on something. Unless I just need to keep kneading. It's gone like noodles. And I daren't touch it. Ugh. It is okay, but I'm like, maybe because it's like not kneaded in. If I like hold it in my hand a little bit, then I like stretch it, it just rips. So I'm going to clean everything up and then I'm going to start again. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I fixed all of it up. It's just, I just left it on my hands because I'm going to need it again. So let's start it again. So I'm going to use my PVA glue. Maybe don't add too much water. Just add about, so this one's going to be a bit smaller. Because I remember it grew. And it grew big. Like, I'm just leaving it to sit so it can all settle in together. And then I'm going to see what will happen then. So I'm going to add some more water. I'm scared now. So I'm going to do it until the consistency, I can't say it. I'm going to do it until it's running. Like super runny, not thick. Because I remember making jiggly slime before, and I did it so thick, I only added a little bit, and it was still really, really, really thick. And it took a lot to activate as well. Where is it? It was up to here, and now it's up to here. So. By the way, as you're wondering, you probably could just say, oh, make more, Amber. You could just make more. Well, I can't because my Borax solution is at my dad's. So I can't just go to my dad's and get it. But I am going to bring some powder so I can make it whatever I want. So I think that'll be enough. And then now I'm going to start activating it. I'm sorry if they hear background noises. It's up there. This one's empty, but I'm going to try. And I'm sorry about the background if you see shadows. It's because I live by a busy road. It went on my finger, it's cold. I don't know why it's cold. Maybe because we stayed in the cold part of my room. And yes, Britain are having a big heat wave by now. And it is so hot. And that's why you see me wearing this, kind of short kind of things. Ooh, it's really jiggly. But that's the whole point. This better work. Because this activator is running out. I just added the same amount of water as the actual glue instead of more than the glue. And I hate these little containers. They were from a slime kit that I got, and then I don't know what to do with it, so I just use it as my activator. irritating me. So it is actually getting there. It takes a lot of mixing. My arm's aching. Okay, I'm going to go in with my hands after this next pump of squirt. Actually, I'm going to go in now. I think I've overactivated it again. I think I'm done with this. I just need to knead it, knead it, knead it, knead it. And it'll make jiggly slime, 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 jiggly slime, 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 jiggly slime. Don't ask. It's actually really, really jiggly, but like really tough. I'm sorry I'm not good at making jiggly slime. But I'm going to make a normal slime and mix in with this. Like that, this is set. Or I could just leave this one and mix it in with the turbo and make another. Okay, let's make another. I don't care because this glue was £2.49 and for 1 litre. Then if you go Hobby World, it's like £4 for clear glue, which is like half a litre. It's just a waste of money. This is not a waste of money. Don't think. We're only going to add a bit of activator. I was going to get the water then. And that one. Hopefully this like actual whole thing works. Maybe it's the activator. That was way too much activator. Let's feel if this one's activated. This keeps on going bad. Like, maybe I know what I'm doing. I'm adding too much activator. But like this slime is just tough. And I don't get that. Right, let's test it between that other one that I did and see which one's better. Probably this one. Because this one's just a blob. Ooh, there's water dripping out of it. Squeeze the water out. Now this one was the water. That one was not. This one's just overactivated. Ready. No, watch it come out. Water comes out. Yeah, definitely this one won. But like this one's really, really tough. Unless I just let this one sit. And just... it's so slippery. So, I'm going to get some lotion and hair gel and all the things that could fix these slimes. So, I'll see you in a minute. Wet handy. Okay, so I've got my hair gel. I have not added anything, as I'll show you. So, I'm going to add some of it. Like, this. Whoa, it's so clear. Hopefully this works, because like I just used that much of my glue. So, my hair gel isn't even going in. Well, there we go. So, comment down below if you've ever made slime and they failed. I haven't. I really, really haven't. But I think today's the day. Oh, now my hands are really greasy. This one's called Hair Gel Pro Vitamin B5 and it's number 2, so it holds. Made in England. Wet in Velvet. That's what it's called. Wet in velvet. I don't know what that says to you. But it is getting there. Just, it needs a lot more. Like, it is actually quite squishy now. It's not ripping. Except from when you stretch it. So hard. So, I do not recommend using strong activator for this, because I just tried and yeah. Probably thinking I'm never looking at the lens, because the lens that side, but like it's not in the middle, and I'm always looking in the middle at myself, so I know what I'm doing, so I know where I am on the camera. So that's why you're probably thinking, what is she doing? She's not looking at the lens, and I'm looking at the lens right now. But if I look at the lens, I don't know what I'm doing on the camera, so. Like, hair gel on the way. Ooh. Hair gel on the way. Wait. Oh my god, there's air bubbles in it. Whoa. Okay, so once I mix this in and put probably another finger in, I will show you. I have done it. It's like, I promise I've not made it again. I ended up adding 4 extra fingers of this hair gel. It's number 2. So it's not that strong, but it is good if you add like lots. It isn't that jiggly, but I'm happy because I did not waste any glue or any activator that I don't have anymore. I have that much, and it used to be up to here. But unfortunately, this one failed. Look. So I don't recommend adding loads of water and loads of activator. But like, I added loads of activator on this one, and you clearly saw it was really hard. It does rip a tiny bit. And I added like extra hair gel. If you have hair gel, I recommend it. Because if you have lotion, it takes a lot of lotion. Sometimes lotion isn't that strong, but hair gel is really good because it's clear, and if you made a clear slime, yeah, it would make it soft without it murking up. And then it is a bit rippy, but it makes it really soft if you add like a lot. So, it's time to add my 3 colours, and then I'm going to mix it in. So, I'm sorry my slimes aren't going to be that big, but it's not my fault. So, I've got about the same amounts, just that one, this one. So, this one is extra one. So, yellow is going to be this one, orange is going to be this one, and green is going to be this one. So let's do the yellow one first. So I added a little bit because acrylic paint's really strong. On camera it's not strong. How is that? I only added like a drop. So pretty. A jiggly butter slime. Some people can't see it. I'll add more yellow so you can see instead of it being a pastel. It's like a really cute pastel colour though. I really want to keep it. There's barely any yellow left from all the yellow butter slimes I've made. From when I was not on YouTube. From when I was like really cringy. So this one is so pretty. But you can't really see. But it's a pastel. It's the sun. Making it like really bad, but it is really pastel, so I really like it, and I'm keeping it because it's pretty. And then I don't sell these, but like I'm gonna give these away to friends. Well, I don't know, maybe because like depends if the kind. That ball came out of that. And this one's an orange. I don't really like orange red that bad. Like, I don't really like it in slime. Because if I had to have it in slime, I would. because it gives it like a nice pinky kind of orangey salmony colour. But like if I had an option, I wouldn't choose it because it just makes it look like a salmon. It gives it all these like little chunky bits in. I'm making pastel kind of colours. Whoa. Why is there two pigeons on the hedge fighting? They flew off. And like this is so fun to play with. I don't know why, but these, I love butter slime. Next one, my favourite colour as well is the yellow one. You can see the yellow compared to the white. Let's show you. White, yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow. Maybe it's, I don't know. It's too close to the sun. I don't think it can be close to the sun. Yeah, it has chunks in it. You never know, I might not like these. It's sap green. Whoa. I was hoping for a pastel colour. Oops. Oopsie. That was what colour I was looking for. Oops. I actually might get it. This kind of colour on the camera. So once I've mixed this in, and I will show you. Okay, so I've mixed them all in. So this, you can tell this one's not white. So yellow, pinkish kind of colour, which is actually really pretty. But like, I think I've got slime in my hair. That's the problem with jiggly slime. I always get slime in my hair when I have jiggly slime. I don't know, but I feel something cold on me. Unless I'm imagining. So this one is like really stretchy. I keep thinking of something. Really squishy. But I thought it was going to turn out like this orange. So I'm actually really happy with this one because it's a pastel kind of colour. And this one is probably my favourite, yellow. And then this one, or this one and then this one. Probably this one and then this one. Because this one is like so pretty. And it literally is so pastel. It's so pretty. Sorry about the background noises. But if they rip, that clearly means that they're jiggly. So, shh. Okay, so now I'm going to layer it up. So I'm going to do pink first. These pots were, I got 2 of these for £1 in the range. So I need to get something to spread it out. And I have no clue. But obviously I'm going to add the glitter in next. But I'm going to add some red glitter on the top to make it pretty. I'm taking my time because I'm scared in case loads come out. There we go. And soon I will mix all these in. On probably a different video. Right there. Next I'm going to do yellow. I don't know what colour this is going to change to. I think this is going to change to green maybe. I'm going to add some silver glitter to the yellow. And then I'm going to add nothing to the blue one because there's some blue glitter at the bottom. plus bit of silver then, shall we, for you. Some glitter on the table. Just gonna pick this up. Oh, I didn't even fill it up. No. Maybe. So, because I don't really want the green ones to change much. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit. Or should I leave it like this? Because this is so pretty, but it didn't actually fill it all the way up. Some odd reason. And it was so pretty. Oh. There we go. And I'm just going to put the lid on. And one day I'll make a jiggly slime. And then I'll put it in. So there is actually some left over in here. So now that I've tidied up and everything's away, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Click that notification so you won't miss any of my new videos. You don't have to, but well, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can like it, and I would be happy if you would like it. Comment down below if you've ever made jiggly slime or anything, but as long as it's not mean, or else I'll be like crying. So until next time, bye!